What's going on? It's Mechanic's Garage coming at you. Today we got a Toyota Sienna that's having an issue starting. So what's happening is when you put the key in, start the car, it immediately dies. We'll turn it off, do it again. So the car won't stay running. So one of the options that we've seen, it happens a lot with older Toyotas, is a lot of times the mass airflow sensor will be clogged or just die on you. So we're gonna take a look at that. So on this vehicle, it's got this V6, the 3000 4-cam 24 valve VVT motor. And your mass airflow sensor usually goes or is connected to your air box. So on this vehicle, here's where our air comes in. And this is our mass airflow sensor. So one of the things you can do to test this out is unplug this mass airflow sensor and then see if the vehicle will start. All right, we've just unplugged our mass airflow sensor and we're gonna see if this vehicle will start and stay running. Well, let's give her a go. All right, it didn't stay running, so we're gonna go ahead and swap it out and clean out the plug, see if that helps. All right, so we installed our new mass airflow sensor, and the one we got is a BSE part we got from AutoZone. Here's the part number. They make a Duralast, and I think they make a Denso also. So here's the part installed. And now we're gonna give it a try and give it a little gas and see if it stays running. Cross our fingers here. So we're gonna turn the key for a second and see if this thing picks it up. All right, now we're gonna try to give her a start. Okay, the vehicle initially started and died. Right now we're running. So yeah, that's a easy, quick change of the mass airflow sensor. And that seemed to fix our issue. We have our check engine light on, so we'll have to put our sensor on here, our reader, and see what kind of messages we're getting. But that's pretty much it. Quick change, takes you less than 5 minutes. So for more tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram, like and subscribe. Check us out on the next one. If you got any questions, hit us up. Peace.